Hello, and one more time, hello. Today is, for me, is a happy day because I'm doing a video walk around for something I really like, guys. It's a 2007 750 with the real sport package and with the 50,000 miles, guys, and a beautiful color, which is rarely you see on them. Usually they silver, black, white. That's a very funky color. We're gonna start this video with the walk around. For the windshield is no cracks in the windshield, your rain sensor right there in the middle, and your VIN number right here. Originated from Virginia State. As you can see, the inspection sticker just expired. Dashboard is good. You got a fender here, beautiful fender, your little corner lights, a real sport package wheels, Michelin tires. You got, yeah, that's a nice tires right there. So you got a nice tires, nice tread. You do have a hood. Look and see if a few rock chips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Few small rock chips. Nice headlights, nice grills, all the bumpers, all the moldings, everything is there. Nothing cracked, nothing is loose or broken. But look at these headlights for the car being almost 20 years old, guys. This is a 20-year-old, 19 years old, I'll say, to be exact, 750 Sport. All right, with 50,000 miles. Beautiful color. I don't know, I love it. We're gonna open up the hood also right now. Looks like it's all original here with the paint. Okay, yeah, tires are nice. You got what? It's gonna rain. Okay, so we're gonna do this a little fast. The mirror, no cracks in the mirror. Door panel, door panel is good. You don't see any damages on the door panel. I don't think it has soft close doors. Yeah, I don't think, because soft close doors, it was an option on these cars. So you have a ivory interior. Take a look. Seats are very nice. Let me just jump in here and see if it works. Ooh, guys, so many massage buttons right there. Cooling seats, massage seats. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I don't see any manuals here. We're gonna start the car as soon as I jump in there. Okay, you got um, nice compartment here, all the buttons right here, the two cup holders. The car is pretty comfortable, I'll tell you. Okay, you got another compartment here, another compartment here, your CD changer, your navigation, your screen monitor, your sport wheel. The sport wheel will have a triangle here, and the regular wheel will have a square, so that's how you know. And of course, dark headliner, because you have a dark dashboard and a dark headliner right there, so to match the sport package options. The car is beautiful, and these seats are most comfortable seats ever. I think they're more comfortable than the new one I was sitting today at the auto auction 2023 for 50,000, or you get this for 15. Okay, 50,000 mile, old school, beautiful car. Okay, so let's go to another side of the car. Door, quarter panel, wheels, 275 50, 275 55 20. Okay, so the brake pads is like this thick. The tires are nice, also Michelin. Take a look at inside.
They even been whistling when I started the car in first time drive, like they're brand new.
Okay, so the brand new whistling. All right, so you got seats. Look at those seats. There's no damages on the seats. There's no damages on the headliner. It's beautiful, guys. I don't know what to tell you. This is so nice, and I like the color combination. This blue on lime, almost ivory limeish interior. I don't know, I gotta look it up what was exactly the name for this interior. We're gonna start the car, then we're gonna go see if these work. Sometimes they don't. I wouldn't promise. If they work today, they might not work tomorrow, because I know them. They get older, the plastics get dried over there, and sometimes they don't work. You're gonna have to take care of that, but I'm not sure with this car. We're gonna start the car and we're gonna go from there. So it's a 750i. Obviously it's not a Li, which I like it better. It's big enough. No, you don't need a Li. We have actually a Li over there. It doesn't have a power button. It doesn't have a power button here, which I like it better. Okay, so you have a DVD, you have a DVD, you have your amplifier right there. Let's see what we got here. And you got original spare with the original Michelin tire on 245 40/20. Okay, I'm gonna close this up. Okay, so let's look at the bottom of the car. What the bottom looks like. It looks good. You got parking sensors. The rear bumper is clean. The car is the rear window is a little tinted, I see, and the sides are not. So I'm guessing in Virginia you can't have tinted cars, and that's why they did it this way. So I don't think you get a ticket for the rear, but for the side ones they don't wanna to tint. Quarter panel, the wheels, the door and the door. I mean, there's no stories, there's no damages, there's nothing to talk about. I'm gonna open this one up. I'm gonna start the car quick. Okay. I don't know who sits like that here. Why do I have to lay down? I just like normally sit down. Okay. Okay, you gotta press so many buttons to move everything here. You got a lug nut. We're gonna keep it inside of here, right there. A lug nut. We got some kind of paper right here. Okay, so we got 58,797 with miles. Okay. We're gonna put the AC on right there. Let's see, the sunroof works. Sunroof works. Okay. Okay. So let's see how the shades work. All right. So okay. So shades work. Just lift them up. Okay. That's nice. Okay, so this is what I know is all the BMWs why the shades broke, because the shades pull this in the door panel out from inside. You see? So and then it gets stuck and gets and it break the material. So if I would keep this car, I would lower the shades and just tinted the window, and that's it. And not to break the shade, let it be inside. Okay. And I'm curious if that shade work over there. Okay. Okay, you see here already? It gets stuck. Look at that. It gets stuck and it doesn't work properly. You see? It's like it got stuck right there, but this thing was moving, but the shade is not moving. I think you gotta put it inside. Okay, let's. Yeah, yeah. You see the thing? You gotta put it inside. We're not gonna break it now. Do it later. This piece has to go inside of it. Okay, and then in moving it will move. Okay, Ski. All right, now. Nice. How's this? Okay, so. All right, you see how I do video walk around. Half of it, me and you like seeing it for the first time. Okay, I like that it doesn't have the soft close doors, but it does have this sport package, fully real sport package. I don't see. Yeah, it does have heated seats, guys. You could always ask me if the vehicle has heated seats. It does have heated seats. All right. You can see it's Michigan blue metallic. I love the color. All original here. You can hear it sound nice. It sounds very good. This vehicle, guys. Sport package, 50,000 mile BMW in Fort Lauderdale. We have another one, '06 Li. You know, not a sport. So if you're interested in this one, call us 954-914-7722. Probably, let me just put the lights on. Working? Nice. I love it. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, this vehicle is sold as is. Dealer fees, taxes, registration is not included in price. Shipping $1.25 per mile. All your paperwork could be done remotely, and payments with a wire transfer. Send a technician here, he can inspect it. Listen, it's a 20-year-old BMW. If you find it somewhere better, then you buy it over there. But if you don't, you buy it from us, guys. And the last thing, I think we didn't look at it, it's the driver's seat. Did we? Just look, show the driver's seat. Take a look. It looks good. It looks good. There's no rips here. Look at this. This is not dirty. There's no cracks here. There's no cracks here. See if. Okay, the cushion work. So we got this. Okay, let's see this. Okay, and this. All right. Now you got a cooling seats. You got the massage. Something's moving. Let's see. Let me jump in to see if massage works. Okay, cooling seats works. Massage button doesn't work. Let's see on this side. No, there is no massage button on that side. But you can figure that out on your own once you buy the car. Yeah, you don't feel anything when you click massage button, so there is no massage for you in this car. Okay, and you don't need it when you have a 750 BMW. You don't need a massage. You go elsewhere for massage. Okay, you don't need to have a massage in the car. You're gonna be too relaxed driving this sports car. You can't be too relaxed. Okay, all right. Also I see dynamic drive inactive. I think that's one of the sensors. So we got the car recently, so when I have a chance to run the codes, there's no check engine light, but it does have dynamic drive inactive. And I have a 645 has the same thing, so we didn't have a chance to look at it. And really, the people are really not that sensitive to such things. They buy them based on the condition and availability. So this condition A plus, availability is not so many around, so we're gonna have this car. I think massage seat just worked. I'm telling you, bro. I think my ass just moved. Okay, so right now it has dynamic drive inactive. Put in a video, but it comes up every time you put in a gear or you start. You see? Okay. AC is super cold. No warning lights. Oh baby, this is beautiful, guys. If you're interested in a old school BMW, it's not even that old. Look right there. Look right there. You see? Okay. So if you're interested in this BMW, feel free to call us. Please don't kill the messenger. This is a 2007 and we 2026. This is a 19-year-old BMW. Feel free to come and look at it, but I don't have any other ones to give you. So if you like this one, you buy it. If you don't like it, you got the point. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I think just too much. I'm talking too much already, right? It's too much. It's too much. It's 3:20 already. All right, guys, thank you so much. God bless. Let's do shorts and we'll go from there. I'm gonna drive the car a little bit right now just to feel it, and I love it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I had a lot of them. These are amazing cars, and I like the dashboard. It's like BMW. Now it looks like a Tesla with a big iPad. Now this is a BMW with the buttons, the grills, the wood trims. Now you look at it, it's a one huge LCD, and that's it. Like, oh, it's moving. My ass moved. Telling you, the massage somehow works a little bit. I guess you could get a massage in this car a little bit. It moved a little bit. All right, let's go now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. We have another one nice car coming. It's gonna be 650 2010 convertible with 25,000 miles. Okay, so it's not my first rodeo, but I love it. The interior in this car is amazing for a 19 years old. Tint windows, change oils, change your brakes, double check your cooling hose. You're always gonna be good in this car with 50,000 miles. Always. Of course, if you're not planning to save money on gas. Okay, let's go. Bye bye, guys. It's too much.